Okay, I'm looking good. Looking good. Focus. Okay, look good. My gosh, I look so fat. I think I better stand up. Let me adjust this. Standing up. Okay. Move this chair. Oh, nice. Focusing. So as you can see here right now, this is my latest studio. There's a light, there's a backlight here. If you see from my previous video that I'm showing all this background, so this is it. So what do you think? This is where we are going to be shooting in this room. So before we start to unboxing Stryker SE, let's go to the intro. What's up guys, nama kita nampak di today we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing of Stryker SE. Wait, let me carry this. This is so heavy, you know. So I was posting in a group, I want to buy a big case for storing all my data. Then suddenly Cooler Master sent me this one big case, Stryker SE. Thank you Cooler Master for sending this. It's a surprise gift, by the way. I was surprised because the other day I was posting I want to buy a big large case, so Cooler Master gave me this case. So thank you. So let's unbox it. Actually guys, it was not that heavy. Ta-da! I unboxed it earlier just to check all inside because it's tempered glass, so I have to double check it. So yeah, but don't worry, I actually do an unboxing before I open it. Yo, so what do you think of my B-roll unboxing of this case? Do you think you like it? So let's get back to this case. So this case actually is fully glossy white finish. It's come with a tempered glass on the sides. Let me move this a bit. Yes, come with tempered glass on the side. So on the top, there's a handle grip here, designed for safety and easy transportation. It also has a back here for two handle grip, so easy to carry like this. Yep. And also on the back of the top here, there's a stylish looking ventilation. So looking from the tempered glass here, the new thing is you can mount all these 4 SSD to show off your SSD. You know right now SSD, there's a RGB SSD, so you can show like bling bling, all bling bling here.
Even the bling bling.
All the LED bling bling here. Yeah. Okay, let's go more into details. So from the front panel here, so this is a single 2.5 hot swap data exchange. This is for faster transferring, so you don't need to, you know, your SSD just can put inside here, you can transfer directly. And here front here, you got 9 mesh filter, dust filter, which is easily to be removed. Let me remove this, yes. And you got dust filter inside. So at the bottom, you can see here, there's a Cooler Master logo here. Compared to the old Stryker, it is CM Storm logo. And now it's a Cooler Master logo. So this is also easily removed. So inside there's no more signature toolbox here. There's only for you to screw your fan here. You can't put anything inside. Oh, by the way, inside here, fans, it support up to 140mm, but Cooler Master give you 2 free white fans inside 120mm. Yeah. I/O front panel, you can see the large button here in the middle. You got fan speed controller with LED indicator that let you control your fan with 6 stage of pitch speed adjustment. You got your reset button in case your PC is stuck. And you got 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0, and you got your audio jack. So from the back, you can see there's an exhaust fan here. It support up to 140mm. So Cooler Master gave one free extra fan here. Then there's an I/O shield. Then you got 9 pieces of PCIe slot here, and including 2 for vertical, so you can show off your graphic card also. Then you got your power supply place. Place your power supply. So on the other side of this case, you can still see extra space for cable management. You no more can install fan here, which is compared to the old one, but you still have extra ventilation here. So let's see what's inside. Let's unscrew this tempered glass. So here, you got the box, accessory box. So let's see what's inside. You got limited edition Cooler Master Clove here. 8 pin extension. You got your buzzer here. Yep, buzzer, just in case there's an error from your motherboard, if your motherboard do not have error code. And we got zip tie, few zip ties. And lastly, last but not least, you got few screw here. There's a lot everywhere, there's a lot of screw here. So here, from the motherboard tray, this motherboard support up to ATX XL size. So basically it's an ATX, but which is longer. So your CPU cooler must not reach up to 186 cm. If not, you can close your tempered glass. So your graphic card also must not exceed up to 322 cm. And also you can mount it vertically, so you can show off your graphic card. And the bling bling. So for your drive bay, it support up to 4 SSD vertically in the front. Also include a hole for your cabling and cable management. So on the other side, you can mount up to 2 HSD and also one 5.25 DVD bay, drive bay on the top, only one. Let's go to the fan support. For the front, you can support up to 3 120 or 140mm fans on the front panel. Then on the back here, which I said it already, you can support up to 140mm, only 140mm. So on the top, you can support up to 2 140mm or 120mm, or a single 200mm, which is included by Cooler Master already here. Last but not least, on the bottom it support up to 120mm. Oh, so dust filter, there's a 3 dust filter on the top of the back here. Yep, one. Then on your bottom of your power supply, got one small here for your power supply, and you got one bottom here on the front. So on the bottom front here, there's a one more fan filter. Yep. So you got, basically you got 3 dust filter. So it's very good for this case, which is there's a dust filter everywhere, mostly everywhere, yeah, except for the exhaust fan, yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for our walkthrough and unboxing of this case. So if you want to see this light up, stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we move all our Sarawak Kenyalan case to this case. So thank you Cooler Master for sending this case, this wonderful case, this extreme large case for us to move everything, all our that's it. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit that small little bell button for our latest update, and also my Instagram page for our daily posts and updates. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye. People, look at the camera. People, look at the camera. Look at the camera. People, yeah, look at the camera. Okay, done. Yeah, finish. Okay. Wait. Wait.